just click on apply now. And once you click on apply now, that is a citizenship country, just select India because this is mainly meant for Indians. And the type of travel document is ordinary passport. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new video. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to apply Georgia e-visa. Okay, so this is very simple process guys, and you don't need any local agent's help. You don't need to go to any visa guy or contact any travels or tour company, etc. It is very simple process. You can sit at your home and you can do it. I'm going to share my screen in a minute and I'm going to show you guys on how to apply Georgia e-visa. So firstly, for applying Georgia e-visa, the fees would be $35, which is close to 3,000 Indian rupees. And the $35 is split up into two types. One is you make the visa payment for about $20. Then you get a DU verify link where you'll have to upload your documents and click on verify. And you need to pay $15 additional to that. So this would in total be $35. So if you go to any local agent, for example, I called a local agent, I don't want to take any names, but I called a famous local agent who gives visas and the fees is $35, which is 2,900, 3,000 rupees. And they are charging 5,000 rupees. 2,000 rupees is the commission, 3,000 rupees is the visa cost. And prior to this, there's a new rules that was brought very recently from Georgian government. But before this, you had to submit your passport, get a sticker visa guys. But that is not needed anymore because you can do everything through e-visa. And the main intention of doing this from the Georgian government is that to attract more tourists. Now, if you want a sticker visa, you have to hand over your passport to a local agent or you'll have to go to the embassy. You'll have to hand over your passport, like for example, 15 days or 1 month till this takes. And this is going to be a very, very tedious and a long process. So that's why they've introduced this e-visa system where you can sit at home. You just need to have internet and your documents. That's it, guys. Nothing else. So you don't have to, like I said again in the beginning of the call, don't go to visa agents or travel agents and waste your money. You can apply on your own. You can reach out to me if you want help with something, but this is very straightforward process. You don't need help from anyone. If you just follow my video till the end, you will understand everything what needs to be done. My only request is do not skip this video. Watch this video till the end if you're interested to visit Georgia because you will gain maximum information out of this video. Like I said, I'll be sharing my screen and explaining the process. So before we get to the process, right, and before I share my screen, so the first thing that I already explained is you need $35, and to pay this $35, please enable international transaction on your international credit or debit card. So any credit or debit card would do, but it has to be international transactions has to be enabled. And there are specific international debit and credit cards as well. But a normal credit or debit card, if you enable international transactions by going into bank's app or bank's website, you will be able to do it probably net banking or app. If you're using HDFC, I use HDFC app, or you can go to HDFC net banking and do this very, very simple process, guys. So that is as simple as that. And the next thing you need is passport has to be at least 6 months valid from the date of your application. Like for example, today if I'm applying, maybe today is what, 3rd or 4th or 3rd May. And if you're applying on 3rd May, it should at least be valid 5th month plus 6 months, that is somewhere around 3rd of November. It should at least be 6 months valid from the date you're applying. So again, if you pay the money, if it's not valid, if you know it's not valid, still you apply, it's going to be a headache to get the refund and all that stuff. So ensure your passport is at least 6 months valid. You remember you can renew your passport before 1 year, like before 1 year of expiry. I've made a dedicated video on how to renew your Indian passport. So please check out this video and follow the process. So the next thing you need is you will need a hotel booking and your income tax statements and your flight bookings. So flight bookings again guys, Georgia e-visa is not like Schengen. The rejection rate will not be so high unless you produce fake documents. So you can go with booking proper flight tickets. Do not book any dummy tickets. Book proper flight tickets, completely fully book tickets and then submit it. Even the hotel bookings, pay for the hotel for the dates you're going and submit it. And also you need income tax statement for like 3 months, or you will need to produce bank statement for 6 months. So bank statement, if you ask me, do you need sign and seal like how you produce for other countries? I really don't know because I looked at the process and I could not find any details on they explaining whether you need a sign and seal of your bank statement. So if you upload 6 months of bank statement, I think that will really suffice guys. So that's pretty much it. You need a photograph, which I'll be showing in my video for that specification. So 80% face coverage has to be there. Please remember this. So you might go to the studio and tell, I need a Schengen visa photo, Georgian visa photo. So that is not going to work. Please tell them you need 3.5 into 4.5 and you need 80% face coverage. If you don't get 80% face coverage, if you go to the embassy in a normal case or upload here, it will not accept. So please have the soft copy scanned, and the clarity has to be really good. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'll just recap. $35 is the fees, including DU Verify, and you don't have to pay anything extra. The e-visa printout will come to your email ID, and you can just take a printout and go to the boarding counter in Bangalore if you're traveling from Bangalore, or any city which your local city where you're traveling from, and they will let you board the plane and give you your boarding pass, and that's pretty much it. Once you land in Georgia, you can produce the same thing. So that's pretty much it, guys. Now let's go to my screen and follow the process. Hey guys, I hope you can see my screen. So once you go to Google, just type Georgia e-visa in for Indians. Yes. And the first link that you see, guys, that is called evisa.gov.ge. This is the website you have to go to. There are a lot of other websites, fake websites, so please beware of it. And you can see other companies as well in this video offering e-visas. I don't know for what joy, because you can easily apply on your own and you don't need anyone's help here to apply e-visa. So once you click on e-visa, let it load. So just click on apply now. And once you click on apply now, that is a citizenship country, just select India, because this is mainly meant for Indians. And the type of travel document is ordinary passport, unless you have a special category. And purpose of visit is tourism, of course. This video is intended for tourism. And if you already have a travel insurance, let's say from ICICI Lombard or Tata AIG or other good companies, so you can just select I already have travel insurance. And if you want travel insurance, from Georgia e-visa portal itself, you can apply accordingly. And I am a holder of visa and residence, so this is very important. So if you're having a Schengen visa or a US visa or a Japanese visa or a Chinese visa or any kind of visa, so if you select that, it will tell you whether you need this visa or you already just need to take a printout. It will show you perfectly. So I don't have any visa here, so I'm just going to leave it as not specified, because I personally don't have any outstanding visas, guys. So I'll just leave it as not specified itself, which will be applicable for most of the users that are watching this video. And the security verification, I just enter as N1FIX and I confirm, and then click on next. So be kindly informed that the next stages you'll have to upload documents listed below, like photo and passport scanned in a single PDF. So ensure that you scan your passport the last page and the front page in a single PDF where both pages are visible. If you go to any Xerox shop, they'll do it for you. Or if you feel that you have a cam scanner app and you can do it yourself, you can do it. But if the seal comes on the PDF, it will not look good, guys. So better you take it to one of the Xerox shops, get a single copy, and then you can convert it to PDF online, which is free of cost, and you will not feel the need of having the seal on the PDF. So completing Georgian e-visa number, including payment and consular fee. Post completion, the first step is to complete DU Verify application. Additional fee will use to applicant AST per applicant is available within 24 hours. Link to DU Verify will be sent on email. So I hope this is very, very clear. Then click on continue. Okay, I think the verification code got expired, so I'll just do it again. Continue. Yeah, and choose the date. It should not be more than 90 days of your travel. For example, today is what, May 17th, May 18th. So it should not be greater than June, July, August 18th. So for the video purpose, let's choose it as July 17th. And your visa will be valid from July 17th to 13th November. So this, in case of e-visa, will be valid for 20 days within the right to stay in Georgia, up to 30 days during the valid period. So in case if your plans get cancelled on July 17th and if you want to travel within August, you can travel till November. Ensure that the 30 days is within the November 13th, so that you don't extend your stay in Georgia. And visa fee is $20 days, to be paid only in MasterCard, Visa or debit card. So please be aware. Many of you ping me on my channel saying that my card is getting rejected, it is not getting approved. So please call your bank or go to the banking app and enable international transactions, and then you'll have to approve it. If you do not enable international transactions, this will not work. So please ensure you call your bank. It's very self-explanatory. You just Google or go to the bank app, say HDFC app, and you can do it by yourself by customizing the card configuration. So I'll just click on next. Yeah, next you just have to basically select all these guys. Just agree to all of these things. just read once, but agree to all of these things as an end result, and then just click on next. So if you click on next, the first name and surname are very important. For example, first name and surname should be as per the passport case, not as per Aadhaar card or as per driving license. Only passport is taken into consideration when you're doing or applying or going to a foreign country. And date of birth is again as per passport, male or female as per passport. Email address, your personal email address, Gmail or Yahoo. Travel document is nothing but your passport number. So try maximum to enter it in capital letters, because if it is in small letters, it might be not an issue but a small concern in the boarding or check-in counters. So expiration date of travel documents, your passport again guys, at least it should be 6 months valid. That's what they all expect. So just fill this check box if applicable by representative. No, that's why don't go through agents. It's a waste of money if you ask me. A lot of people go through agents even for simple visas like Vietnam or Georgia or Azerbaijan. It is not at all required case. Why do you need travel agents help when you can do it on your own? I don't get the point at all. So just leave this blank. Travel with a companion. So yes, this is very important. So if you are traveling with let's say your wife or your partner, so just fill the person's details, and then so that you will get see, please attach required documents for citizens of India. Scan must be, so passports scanned in a single PDF. So if you are 2 people and if you fill these details, upload a PDF of both of your passports, and that will suffice guys. So once you click on next, you will have the verification link. So as you saw in my screen guys, so that's all. After you complete this verification, you will get an email, and once you click on that email, you will need to upload all your documents, your Aadhaar card, your IT returns, your bank statements, your flight bookings, your hotel bookings, everything. And then if you click on verify, you will need to pay additional $15 US. That is 20 plus 15, $35 is the fees. So this is all you need to pay guys. So $35, and you make the payment, and you will get the visa to your email ID. A printout will come to your email ID, and you just have to carry that printout. So any issues or any trouble with this, please comment in the comment section. I'll try to respond to you, or follow me and then ping me on Instagram, because I'm not getting notified. I'll try to respond to you as soon as possible. So I hope this video was very, very informative. I'll catch you guys in my next video.